In a world full of noise, chaos, and endless distractions, peace is rare. But the Stoics discovered something most people never will: three simple rules that can bring you calm, no matter what life throws at you. These aren't just ideas, they're ancient tools for modern minds. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. The first rule is to let go of what you cannot control. Worrying about the past, obsessing over people's opinions, or fearing the future, none of that serves you. The Stoics believed, if it's not within your power, it's not your problem. Focus only on what you can control: your thoughts, your choices, your actions. That's where peace begins. Set aside a certain number of days, during which you shall be content with the scantiest and cheapest fare, saying to yourself the while, "Is this the condition I feared? Why?" Because true peace comes not from comfort, but from resilience. Train your mind to be stronger than your circumstances. Take cold showers, go a day without your phone, sleep on the floor, do small, difficult things daily. This trains you to stay calm, even when life gets hard. Peace is built through preparation. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. The third rule is the most powerful. Remember, you will die, not to scare you, but to wake you up. When you live like time is short, you waste less of it. You stop arguing, overthinking, chasing meaningless things. You breathe deeper, you live fuller, and that brings peace. If this message spoke to you, let us know in the comments. Like the video to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more life-changing Stoic wisdom. And most importantly, share this with someone who needs to hear it. Together, let's bring more peace into the world, one mindset at a time.